What's up guys, good morning. Today we're going to install a stud conversion kit along with spacers so we can dial in my fitment. So shout out to my friend Jonathan, who hooked me up with some 15 millimeter spacers from Burger Motorsports all around. So huge shout out to him. But I think 15 millimeters is gonna be a little too much poke in the front for me. So I went ahead and got some 12 millimeters from Keys Motorsports. And then I also got the stud conversion kit from them as well. So I'll leave all the links in the description below for your convenience. So here's the stud conversion kit. Comes with everything you need for all four wheels. We got some 15 millimeter spacers and 12 millimeter. And while we're waiting for my little brother to wake up so he can use his tools, we got a new license plate cover from NorCal Dynamics. Shout out to them. So I'm gonna replace this M1 because you know we're not driving an M over here. We got B58 power. Alright, we got Zach with all his tools. We got this crazy snap-on impact gun. Who knows how much this costs? Alright, so we don't need to do too much cleaning because when I was installing the springs, or when Ben was, he went ahead and wire brushed these because we're going to try the spacers, but they didn't fit with the standard lug nuts. So I'm going to use this little brush just to go ahead and get off just minor stuff. Alright, we're going to take our thread and screw in the small end. But first we're going to put on some medium strength thread lock. You just need one drop. And we'll just hand thread it in there. And I'll do that for the rest of them. Alright, so once we get our 5 studs screwed in there, hand tight, we're going to go ahead and use our torque wrench with the 5 millimeter Allen bit to torque it down to 25 foot-pounds. So let's get the best leverage here. There we go. It's kind of tough with the wheel spinning on you. Alright, so we got our 12 millimeter spacer from H&R, made in Germany. Looks pretty nice. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit of anti-seize. Oh, that's a lot. So we don't have any problems in the future getting these off. This will help for there not to be corrosion over time. I mean, metal on metal, and it's always raining here in Florida. This is even more important if you live up north, because the salt on the roads there is pretty gnarly. Alright. So the cool thing about studs is it makes it super easy. So yeah, now we can go ahead and throw on our wheel and torque down our lugs. Alright, this is the best part about adding the studs, is that it makes it super easy to put your wheels on after the fact. Just like that. Makes it super easy to line it up. We'll go ahead and take our nuts out. All right, so I went ahead and just used the socket just to go ahead and hand tighten all the nuts. And now we're going to lower the car. Put some weight on there. Then we're going to torque it down to 105 foot-pounds. We got to do a star pattern. All right, we should be good. Got the spacer. Check out that fitment now. Sheesh. So here we go, there's the fitment. Pretty dang flush with the fender now. And we just had the car jacked up, so spring might settle a bit more. Yeah, I think that's perfect fitment. Alright, we went ahead and just jacked it up from the diff so we could get both rear tires off the ground at once. Just make the job quicker. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up for this video. We got stud conversion kit and spacers on, 12mm in the front and 15mm in the rear. And I think the fitment is just right now. We'll see over time if I want to adjust the 15 to the front, just because we have them, so we'll see. But I really like the 12 in the front. I think it's perfect without too much poke. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this video helped you out and your install and picking the right spacers for you. Go ahead and help out my channel if you can. Smash that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.